2/23/23. What's going on? Make you the quick video of this. Had licorice is in there, down there eating right now. Yep. We had this ice storm yesterday. Listen to this. Pretty crazy. My lawn's got like, I don't know, I'd have to say about 3/4 of an inch of ice on it. And everything else is pretty crazy. You can see everything is just coated solid. Just ice. No snow, man. Just ice. This tree, so heavy that it bent over. I know a lot of you guys have seen way worse, but this is the first one we've had this year. My arborvitaes. That's actually kind of cool. Look at that. It's almost like Christmas tree-esque. And that's in the carport. Let our stupid dog out late last night. Never came home. He's such an idiot. He's either a dog sickle somewhere or at one of the farms up and down the street. Who knows? I'm not even worried about him. He's a complete moron. He doesn't listen, does what he wants, when he wants. You know, he's old. So, whatever happens, happens. I'm over it. This is kind of cool. Look at this. I can't even squeeze it. It's just this. It's a block. You can't even squish it. Check out the field grass. It's actually really pretty. Now that pine tree gave up. Yeah, what's really funny about my stupid dog is I leave the garage open with beds and blankets and stuff for random critters that need somewhere to go. He doesn't use it. Seagrass. Look at that. Anyways, that's that. Y'all have a great day. Till next time. Soup.